Hi guys, so I finally got the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's unbox it together. Can you see the product? Yes. This is the creator kit, guys. I think it would be really handy to carry the camera in this if I don't want to carry its accessories. We have warranty card and guide here. Finally! We have so many accessories. Oops. In here. Let's see one by one. Very cute mic. Clip on for the mic and the magnetic back for the mic. Oh, the clip on is also magnetic. How cute. Then we have the cable, another cable, the lanyard, wind covers for the mic. There's one more. Okay, this is black. What? How tiny is this? Ah, that's so nice. This goes here. And when I have to remove it, I have to press this and remove. So cool. Again, so cute. Like a mini tripod. Very cute, very cute. It goes here. Oh, I love this so much already. This is so cool. Let's connect the light again. It's magnetic and it switches on automatically. It's so lightweight. I mean, wow. And the stabilization on this thing. And bun bhi bahut cutely hota hai. Just wait. This is like the size of my face or like the size of my hand. It's that tiny. Yeah. Okay guys, love you. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.